Hey guys, so my video will be about DIYing a halter top and a mini skirt, and honestly I have fun making this project. I am excited. I'm wearing it right now in Aruba on vacation, so you know. I got the fabric from a thrift shop. It was only $8. It was like a big dress, and I just had to get it because look at the patterns, like it's so pretty. And when I saw the dress, I was like, I definitely had to make something out of that. And I made a halter top and a skirt. So keep on watching, guys. Bye. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also don't forget to follow my business page, FlySlaying, for more nice, fun, and excited projects that I will be posting. Okay guys, so this will be the dress that I'm making. I cut the dress in half and it gave me 3 sections. I will mostly be using the middle part for my band piece for the halter top. The length is 10 inches and then I pinned it straight wide, and the width is 32 inches long. So 10 inch is the length and 32 inches is the width, guys. Then you cut that middle section out. Guys, I try to use like chalk, but it was not budging at all. So using pen was like a better option for me. And try to cut it as straight as possible. So now that the middle piece is cut out, I tried it on and it was kind of small for me. So I decided to cut the other side of the fabric and just extend it a little bit more. So now that the piece is cut out, I just flip that piece over and now I'm gonna just sew the edge. Oh yeah guys, and please don't mind my nails, like I'm gonna get them done today. Just don't look at them. And when you guys sew these pieces, please use a zigzag stitch. So now that we sewn the extra piece of the band, I just made the ends a little pointier because I wanted a clean finish. And at the end, I folded inward. And then I pinned where exactly I wanted the fold to be sewn. And just do it, you know, slow and gentle, guys. Like, take your time doing it because you want it perfect. And this is just me demonstrating y'all how I fold my ends. I ain't gonna lie, I kind of had a little difficult time trying to make them pointy and then fold them how I like it. And it was a little difficult, but at the end, I figure it out. And shape it to your liking, guys. Now it's time to sew. And when you do the zigzag stitch, make sure you also back stitch so the fabric won't come loose and your clothes won't fall apart. Now it's time to make the boot pocket for the halter top, and what I did was measure 7 inches wide, and I will be doing that on both sides. And then I marked the little black spot because I know I could see, at least I could see that if I use a chalk. And then I measured the other side 7 inches and I also marked that. Get time doing this, guys, because you want them exactly the same. And then I'm gonna cut in between the 2 white middle lines just to add extra seam allowance. The pieces I cut out, what I did was just fold the ends. I fold the side of the top and I just fold them upwards and make them pointy, just how I like it. Try to fold them to your liking, guys. It's up to you. But I wanted them to look good. Like, I wanted a clean finish. So at the top of the halter top, I made them pointy. So after I finished shaping the piece, I put them together. I put one on top of the other just to see they match. Like, make sure they're exactly the same, guys. And when you're done, it's time to sew. So now that the pieces are sewn, it's time to connect the top piece to the band piece. And what I did was measure 4 inches apart from each other. And I pinned the pieces right behind the band part. And you're done with your halter top. Now it's time to make the skirt part. And what I did was I got a dress and I'll fold that dress in half and I'm gonna cut out the lining. If you have a skirt, you could do that. If not, I have a dress and that's what I use to help me guide. And when you cut it out, add extra seam allowance. I always add like an inch or two. But since this fabric is like a 4-way stretch, I just add at least 1 inch of seam allowance. So now that it's cut out, I flip the skirt inside out and I'm going to sew the side. When you sew the side, guys, make sure you use a zigzag stitch. So I decided that I wanted like a little small split on the side of the dress. So I just pinned it all the way to where I want the split at. So now it's time to hem the top piece of the dress. And guys, if you want, you could add elastic band to the dress or buttons. But I decided to do none because when I put on the skirt, like, it hugs my body right. So do what's best for you guys. And we all done. Yay! I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Ciao.